guys, welcome to Unicorn Swirl. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a quilling cake. What you'll need is some glue, some quilling paper, and optional, if you're a beginner, I would prefer the little quilling tool to help you. But if you don't want this, you can surely not use this. And in a few minutes or a few seconds, I will teach you how to use this. I am using a rainbow for my 3-layered cake, which is what I'm teaching you guys how to make. I'm going to do rainbow for the base. To start off, I'm going to take some red, some orange, some yellow, some green, some blue, some pink, and some purple. I'm going to take my red quilling paper. And this is optional for those who are using the little tool. If you look closely, there's a little hole. You're going to put the end of your quilling paper in the hole. It takes a while. And then you can just wrap it, keep on wrapping it around. It's hard for me, but you can do it if you need. Now, if you don't want to use that, you can take your quilling paper, just pinch it like the square kind of, roll it into a circle, then glue the bottom on it, right? Then I'm going to take my orange. You see how I have, and on your quilling circle, you will see that there's a little ending. You're going to take the glue to close it. You're going to take your glue again, put it on the orange on one side, paste it onto the red, circle it, and keep on doing the same step with the others to get a circle of rainbows. Now what we're going to do is, for my next layer, I'm thinking of blue, pink, white, purple. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the rainbow. Remember that? And on the bottom, I'm going to put glue and stick it onto my rainbow layer. Now for the top, I want to use a light purple and a blue. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did with my second and third layer. And I'm going to put glue on the bottom and put it on my second layer to make a rainbow cake. If you liked this video, please give this video a like and please subscribe. Bye! Thanks for watching!